So I decided to do my project on the solar system and the planets for a grade level 3. So I choose a lot of different types of content delivery. The first one I have here is a VR YouTube video that students can play and get a little bit into it. They can look around and see the different planets and just kind of see like where they are in relation to each other and just see all the different names of them all. And it's also kind of a VR tour, so this guy will go around and tell them all about the different planets and stuff. So another content delivery resource I have is just this website that is just a bunch of different planet facts for kids. So they can choose one and just learn a bunch of different facts about it and stuff. So that's another one. Another resource I have is this video, and it gives kids a song to help them remember the order of the planets, which is really helpful because songs can help kids remember stuff a lot easier. And then the last thing I have is a little infographic. Just it has pictures of all the planets and information about them and about the phases of the moon and just a lot of different great information. I think that these resources will help to support students to obtain this knowledge by just giving them a bunch of different ways to access the information. So they'll be able to see it in like videos and online and in infographics, and that's just really helpful for students of different learning needs. They can choose what works best for them, which is really helpful, and I think it will help students out a lot.